For most of us, coming to a conference like this, it's refreshing.
It brings together thoughts and ideas from art, science, technical fields, and so on, to give inspiration of what we should be working toward.
And here we also show that there are so many different voices with very interesting takes on what the future may hold if we go for true sustainability.
It forces us to think about where are we now and what it would take for us to get to the future without some of the problems that we see. So it's about rethinking, reimagining, revisioning, and being able to plan a little bit better of how do we get there.
The future is what we choose to make it. We could send it down a very dark path, or we could find a lighter, more joyous path.
I'm so happy to be amongst people who have their hearts in the right place.